Are you also tired of paying CapCut $6 every month and have watched thousands of videos to use CapCut for free, but still haven't figured out how to use CapCut Pro? Or if you have figured it out and it doesn't even work, then you have clicked on the absolutely right video. I also watched a lot of videos, but they were of no use. Then I researched on it for weeks, and I found such a method through which we can use all premium features of CapCut for lifetime without logging in, and that's also completely free. So let's find out how. First of all, you have to open CapCut. Now you will see this interface of CapCut. Here it will ask us to log in, but we don't have to log in. On the top right side, you will get the settings option. Click on it. Now click on settings. Here it gives us the CapCut drafts option. Now on the right side, click on the file manager option and select the folder where you want to keep the videos edited from CapCut. I have selected the pictures folder. You can see that here a file named CapCut drafts is showing. Whatever video we edit from CapCut will come here. But how? Let's find out. Now come back and you will get a save option below. So save it. Now click on Create New Project. Now we add our clips and voice that we want to edit. Now let's trim them a little. Now we use all pro features. First of all, we will use transitions. Now you can see the transitions that have a purple diamond on them. All those are pro features. Let's add them now. Let's add the background sound now. Let's add pro effects. Now I add a sticker. Now let's add premium text templates. Now we have applied all premium features. When we click on export, it will tell us that you are using some pro features in your video, and below it will ask us to buy the pro plan. We simply have to click on back to edit. Now the steps I am telling, watch them carefully. First, whatever things we have added on the timeline, whether they are clips, text, or effects, we have to simply select all those things. Now right-click, and here click on Create Compound Clip. Now it will make a compound clip. We have to select it again, and right-click to click on Pre-Process Compound Clip. Now pre-processing will start and will complete in about 10 seconds. But it depends on your software. If it's good, it may happen even earlier. And if it's bad, it may take a little time. On the top, you can see the name of the drafts folder. Remember it. Now you can see that processing is completed. Now we will go to the folder where we saved CapCut drafts. You can see that the CapCut drafts file is showing to me. I will simply click on it and click on the folder where my file is saved. Since mine is saved in this folder, I will click on it. Now I will click on the resources option. Now I will get the option of combination, so I will click on it. You can see that the video we edited is now here. I will simply open it and show it to you. Now, if you are really serious about your life and want to do something, then in this video I have taught how to clone such a channel that earned about $7,000 per month. That too from shorts that are made in 5 minutes. If you also want to earn from YouTube by giving just 5 minutes daily, then watch this video. I will meet you in this video.